Hi there, I'm Aman and you're watching PTO classes. So I'm back with another lesson from grade 7, okay, from grade 7th English literature. The chapter that we were reading the last time, expert detectives, okay. So part 1 video I have already shared with you, and you would have done the word meanings also of the chapter. And now we will proceed with the chapter. We will conclude the chapter in today's video. So what we are going to study? Expert detectives. Okay, expert detectives we have started in the previous video. Okay, expert detectives part 2. Okay, in the first part we have seen how Nishad and Maya, Nishad who is also known as 7 because his name means the 7th note of music. Okay, so Nishad and Maya both are very curious kids. They want to become detectives. They act like detectives and they are in a quest. Okay, they are after a very strange man. Okay, whom? A strange fellow whose name is Mr. Nath. Okay, so Nishad and Maya, who is also known as 7, both are after the strange man whose name is Mr. Nath. So we have seen how the kids were having doubts on Mr. Nath. Maya was very sure that Mr. Nath is very strange. He is a what? He is a crook. Crook means an evil person. Okay, an evil person. So Maya thinks that Mr. Nath is a crook, while Nishad thinks that Mr. Nath is a very poor man. Okay, because of that he is very thin and his face has so many scars. That was the thing that attracted the kids, that why his face is very scary. Okay, so this was there, and now the kids were trying to find out about the crook, Mr. Nath, and now their summer vacations just got off. Their mother is a teacher who works at a clinic, and now after their summer vacations are over, they have to go back to school. But the first day that they were supposed to go back, it rained very heavily. So they couldn't attend the school. So what happened? It rained heavily. Okay, it rained heavily. So the kids couldn't attend their class. Now Maya is lying on a bed with her. There is a sheet in which she is collecting all the evidences, and she is trying to solve the mystery of the strange fellow Mr. Nath. Okay, so this chapter is very interesting. By far we have done the first half of the chapter. In the second video we will see that what happens. Are the kids successful in finding about Mr. Nath or not? So stay with me and we shall together read the story, and we will conclude our chapter, Expert Detectives.
Okay, so let's continue reading the chapter Expert Detectives. First part we have already discussed, we have already learned in our previous video. I have already explained you the part 1 of the chapter, and here I am back with the second part. Okay, so let's see what is there in the story. Let's read it together. Okay, so see, I wrote in large block letters. Okay, so we have seen that there was a holiday for Nishad and Maya, and their summer break was over, but they couldn't join the school because of the holiday that took place because of a rainy day. So Maya was sitting on a table and Nishad was lying in his bed, and Maya was writing something. She was going through the evidences collected by them. So she wrote in large block letters, catching a crook. Okay, so crook, I have already told you what is a crook. Who is a crook? A culprit, someone who is doing some bad thing, okay, bad person. So the heading that she wrote in block letters was Catching a Crook. Expert detectives Nishad and Maya, okay, expert detectives Nishad and Maya by Maya Pandit. So their caste is also known here, Nishad Pandit and Maya Pandit. So expert detectives Nishad and Maya by appointment to the whole world, okay. So this was the heading that Maya wrote, and in block letters she wrote Catching a Crook in capital letters. Then I began writing. So Maya is saying, then I started writing about half an hour later. First of all, let me explain you the word that we have used before, by appointment to, okay, officially choosing someone. So Maya is saying that we have been officially chosen for doing the task. What task? Catching a crook. Then I began writing. About half an hour later, I turned towards 7. Okay, so Maya is telling us that I turned towards 7 after writing for about an hour. Who was lying on his tummy, chin up. Okay, you can see in the picture that how Nishad was lying on the bed, chin cupped in his palms. Okay, so he was holding his chins in his palms and he was reading comics. Want to hear what I have written? I asked. So Maya asked her brother that you want to listen what I have written. Okay, so he looked up questioningly with a very inquisitive look, with a look that was very inquisitive. He asked, he looked up. I have listed all the facts we know about Mr. Nath, which might help us to trap him. So Maya said this, and he was looking over Maya with a look that was very inquisitive. Want to hear? So Maya said that you want to hear what I have written. 7 nodded. 7 nodded. Okay, I want to tell you what does nod means. Nodded. Okay, when you nod your head, when you do your head like this, you are agreeing to something. Okay, you are saying yes. So you nod your head. So it is called nodding. He nodded like this. He did. And when you want to say no, then you will do this. This is called shooking your head. What? Shooking your head. He shook his head. Okay, so where the word no is written, nodded, it is agreeing, yes. And where you are shaking your head, it is called shooking. Okay, that means you are not agreeing to what the other person is saying. Okay, so 7 nodded. Fact number 1, I read his name is Mr. Nath. So the first fact that Maya presented was that I read his name is Mr. Nath. We must discover his first name. Okay, so they know that he is Mr. Nath, so they must get to know that what his first name. Okay, so they already know his other name, that his surname. Okay, that he is Mr. Nath. So what Nath? Okay, do you think that's his real name, Maya? Nishad asked that, do you really believe that it is his real name? Probably not, I said. Most crooks have an alias. Okay, what is an alias? Alias means an alternate names, like we have for dons, or we have for goons, for any culprit, like someone could be called by any other name. Okay, so probably not. He said that most of the crooks have an alias. Maya said this thing. I added a big question mark after Nath. Okay, she wrote the name, that his name is Mr. Nath. Then she put a question mark after it. Fact number 2. Okay, I read on the tenants. So Maya read this, that on read on that the tenants, okay, kiraedar, tenants are the kiraedars. The tenants at Shankar house say he is mad, strange and unfriendly. Okay, so what was the qualities of Mr. Nath told by the tenants? That he was mad, he was very crazy fellow, he was a very strange man, he was not very common man, he was a strange he had a strange behavior and he is very unfriendly. He is not very polite, very friendly with others. Okay, so these are the two facts given by Maya. First of all, his surname, his first name we don't know, and we know that he is very unfriendly, he is very rude, he is very mad and strange. So the fact number third that Maya gave was he doesn't talk to anyone and is mannerless. Okay, so Mr. Nath is unfriendly and he is very mannerless. He is very he has a very bad behavior. Okay, so but he did talk to us, Maya, and Mama says he is very polite. So Nishat said that he had talked to us. How can you say that he is very unfriendly and very rude? He has talked to us, and Mom says that he is very polite. Mama says he is very polite. He only talked to us because he had to. I said means Maya said that उसने हमसे बात इसलिए करी because he wanted to. He had some he had some what do we say, उसका कोई मकसद था. He wanted to talk to the kids because he just wanted to, he needed to. Okay, so that he doesn't look very strange. Okay, so and since he was under Mama's medical treatment, he had to be polite. So their mom is a doctor, was a doctor and had a clinic. So he was polite to the mother because he was going through a medical treatment from the mother. Okay, fact number 4, he doesn't receive any letters. 7 nodded. Okay, so the fourth fact was that he doesn't receive any letters. Okay, 7 nodded. 7 again agreed that he doesn't receive any letters. There are no letters sent to him. Number 5, he's been living in room 10 of Shankar house for more than a year. I continued. Okay, another fact that he has been living there for over an year, and that is there to in where Shankar house, where other tenants are saying that he is very unfriendly. Okay, number 6, he doesn't work and sits in his room all day. Okay, so he is not going to any work and he is sitting at home the entire day. Number 7, the kids in Shankar house and even some of the grown-ups are scared of him. Okay, so he has a very scary personality. So the kids and even the grown-ups are scared of him. Number 8, he has 2 visitors except for a spectacled. He has no visitors except for a spectacled fair fat man. Okay, so one fat man, one very fat man who is spectacled, who is wearing specs, visits him. He is very fair and he visits him on Sundays for lunch. Other than that, no one visits him. And fact number 9, food and tea are taken to his room by Ramesh from the restaurant downstairs. So Ramesh takes the food to him. So all these 9 facts are there. You have to learn them very properly. It can come in your exam. I can give a question that what are the 10 points that Maya made, or what was the 5 points, any 5 points, any 4 points. This can come as a question, so you have to go through them. Okay, so number 9, the food and tea was brought to him by Ramesh from a restaurant downstairs. He doesn't care what he eats, pays his bill immediately and tips well. So he is not very peculiar, very particular about the food that he is having. So he eats anything and everything and he pays his bill immediately. Right away he pays off Ramesh and he tips him well. He gives him the tips very nicely. That ends my list. Okay, so this was the list prepared by Maya. The 9 points were there. You have to learn them by heart. Have I forgotten anything, 7? So Maya asked to her brother that whether I am forgetting anything, 7. Nishad had obviously not been paying too much attention to my list of facts. So Maya is saying to us that Nishad, who is known as 7, was not paying any attention, and all he could say was, poor man Maya, he must be so lonely if he doesn't have any friends. So this was the conclusion that who Seven took out that he is a poor man. He must be so lonely that he doesn't have any friends. How can a crook have friends, idiot? I almost shouted. So Maya got very angry that I am making such points. I am trying to find out the secret of Mr. Nath, and my brother is saying such thing. How can a crook have friends, idiot? She almost shouted. At least he has one friend, the one who meets him on Sundays. So Nishat said, at least he has one friend whom he meets on Sundays. Okay, so he is meeting someone on Sundays. At least he has one friend, said Nishat. Okay, a brilliant thought occurred to me just then. Okay, so one thought came to Maya's head that that man must be Mr. Nath accomplice. What is an accomplice? Accomplice is a helper in crime. Okay, so mark this word. Accomplice means a helper in crime. I said, maybe he keeps all the loot. Loot means whatever he gets from stealing, and he comes now and then to give part of it to his partner. So the one who is coming to his house, maybe he is his partner in crime. That's it. I'm sure I'm right. So Maya made a very winning gesture that she has caught the case. She has unsolved the mystery. That's it. I am sure I am right. If you insist on calling him a criminal, I don't think I want to discuss anything with you, Maya. So Nishad again was very adamant to the fact that he was not going to believe the theory given by Maya that he is a crook, the Mr. Nath is a crook, without having any strong evidence. Said Nishad angrily. So if you are going to insist that he is a criminal without proving it, I am not going to discuss anything regarding this with you, Maya. He can't be such a bad man if he gives Ramesh such generous tips. So Seven had his argument that if he is giving tips to Ramesh who gets him food from restaurant, so he can't be a bad person. Ramesh probably knows something about his past, so Mr. Nath must be bribing him to keep quiet, I said. So Maya again make a counter question, counter statement, reverted back to her brother, that Ramesh maybe he's knowing something, some secret of Mr. Nath, that is why he's bribing him to keep quiet. Okay. Nishat glared at me. Glared means looked very to look someone with intent. Ghurna. Nishat glared at me with his arms tightly crossed across his chest. I was beginning to get fed up with him. How can we make any progress with our investigations if you take that attitude, Seven? I asked. If you will show this kind of attitude, if you will not believe in my theories, how will we make any progress? So Maya asked Seven. I will cooperate only if you give up this idea about him being an escape crook. So Seven said that I will only help you if you will not come to the conclusion that Mr. Nath is a crook, and I can help you only after that. You really make me angry, said whom? Said Seven. I almost hit him. I make you angry, you stupid oaf, I shouted. I am making you angry. You make me mad. The same argument that every sibling has was happening with them. In the point of all these inquiries, if he is not a crook, if you think he is a nobody, what is the idea of bothering about him? Please tell me. So if you don't think he is a crook, why we are investigating? So Maya was very angry. If you think that he is a normal man, why we are investigating about him? Nishad looked thoughtful. I would like to find out why he is so thin and why he is so lonely. Nishad again being very polite, very very social, very careful about others. He was saying that I would like to know that why he is so thin and why he is so lonely. I want to know why he doesn't have any friends and lives alone. So Nishad was again having pity over Mr. Nath. Okay. Try to understand, Seven, I told him. if he has lived in Shankar house for a year and hasn't made a single friend, there is something wrong. He is obviously scared that someone will recognize him and give him up to the cops. So Maya again made a point that if he is living for an year at some house and he has not made any friends, then there is something fishy. He must be having some secrets and he must be afraid that if someone will know about him, they will give him to the cops. Cops means police. Maybe no one's tried to make friends with him, Nishad protested. Again, Nishad was arguing for Mr. Nath. Why should anyone bother? You have seen what a nasty bear he is, I said. Why will anyone try to be friends with him? He's so bad looking. His look is like that of a crook. I don't care, said Nishad stubbornly. Stubbornly means ziddi, zid se, stubborn, to be stubborn. I don't care, said Nishad. I like him and I am going to try and be his friend. So Nishad said, I don't care about anyone. I will try to make him my friend. Friends with a crook? Ha! You're crazy, Seven, I said. So Maya said, you are trying to become a friend of a crook. Ha! You are so idiot. The cops will take you to jail with him. Do you want that to happen to you, idiot? Nishad merely glared at me and quietly walked out of the room. So he looked over his sister and walked out of the room. My theories seem to have made no impression on him at all. So this story is written by Sharda Dwivedi from The Broken Flute. So this short story has been taken from the book of Sharda Dwivedi. That book is known as, the book's name is The Broken Flute. So how was the story? How did you enjoy the story? I hope you have liked the story. The story is very interesting. I want you to tell me that whether the strange fellow Mr. Nath was a crook, was an evil person, or was, according to what Seven was saying, was he a good human being? He was just lonely and was very thin and poor. So this is a question in your book also. Whom you agree with, Maya or Nishad? Okay, Maya says he's a crook. Nishad says he's a poor, lonely man. So whom you believe? Here our story ends, the chapter ends, and I hope that you have enjoyed the story.
Okay, so the chapter is over now. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed the story. The expert detectives. We were reading the story and I have explained you the story. I hope you have enjoyed the lecture. I hope you have liked the story and I hope that you have enjoyed the time. Okay, so if you haven't subscribed to the channel, kindly subscribe. Like the videos if you enjoy watching the videos, and we will meet again in the next video. So what you have to do, I will provide you the question answers that you have to do. Apart from that, you can send me your queries through WhatsApp, you can call me, and we are going to take your test also. I will inform you about your test. So keep on watching the videos, enjoy the lectures, enjoy the time at your home, and we will meet again soon. So you are watching video classes. I am Aman. Thank you so much for watching the lecture.